In this section of the visual walkthrough for node operators, we're going to set up an Infura account so that our node will be able to effectively communicate with the Ethereum network. In the previous section, we downloaded the latest release of the Quantstamp node and we put it in our home directory so we can easily access it in the future. In order to access the Infura API so we can speak to the Ethereum network, we're going to go to infura.io and set up an account with them. Here I already set up an account with them, so I'm just going to log in. Now that we've logged in and we're in the dashboard, I'm going to create a new project, and I'm going to call that project Quantstamp Protocol Node. Then we click on View Project. And here, this is the information that we need to pass on to our node. The project ID, also known as the API token. And even though this step we're not doing to a little bit later in the future, I'm going to show you what we're going to do with this token in the future. So we're going to open up our terminal, and we're going to use the terminal to set our environment variables for our node. We're going to set our API token as an environment variable. In this example, I went directly into my node directory before setting the environment variable, but keep in mind you can do this anywhere in your terminal. The only time you need to do it again is if you close your terminal. So I'm going to go to the running node section, which is near the bottom of the node operator manual, and you're going to copy this text. After you copy it, delete everything inside this text, because that was just placeholder text. And now what's going to happen here is this is the export command. It's going to be exporting this variable, which is going to equal, we go back to our Infura account. We're going to copy the project ID, which is our API token, paste it in there, and then press enter. And now our environment variable is set. In order to verify that you did it correctly, you can use the command print environment, and then you copy the name of this variable, and there you see it was done successfully. And that's it for this walkthrough. For the next walkthrough, we're going to create an Ethereum account using my Ether wallet, and we're going to store it as a key store file so that our node recognizes it correctly. Thank you very much, and I'll see you soon.